guys, it's your girl Samara, aka American Princess. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. But if you are a part of this family, you already know what to do. You have to keep on watching. But before we get into this video, guys, please go ahead and go follow your girl on Instagram and show some love. All right, but let's get into it.
What's up?
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
All right, so for me, I like to, I'm a visual learner, so I came and brought my board for you guys to see. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. So pretty much your lot sizes are what you're going to use to profit in the market. Now, a lot of you guys, if you have gotten your feet wet in the Forex market, you have probably already know what lot sizes are and things in that nature. But pretty much your lot sizes is the indicator of what you want to use per pip transaction in order to make your profit or just simply lose money, okay? Because like I told you guys before, you're always 100% not gonna always be accurate. And sometimes you may get greedy in the market and may just over risk your accounts, okay? So let's get into the different lot sizes that they have, all right? So first things first, you have your micro lot size. All right, your micro lot size is going to be 0.01 through 0.09. And if you haven't already, please pause this video and go ahead and go get your trading journal or your notebook taking, whatever you use to take your notes, iPad, whatever, and take some notes, guys. The more that you take notes, the more that you understand the simplest things in Forex, the easier it's going to be to get into the market and just take your profits and dip, okay? In the Forex market, 0.01 stands for 10 cents. Now you may think and say, wow, but I thought it was going to be 1 penny, but that's based off the USD currency itself, okay? But in the Forex market, guys, please don't get 0.01 mixed up with 1 penny. It is really 10 cents, okay? So your micro is going to be 0.01 to 0.09. So as you guys should know, 0.09 is going to be actually 90 cents, okay? So for that, I want to also give you guys some tips in how to properly risk manage your account. So for every $100 bill that you have in your account, you should be using the micro lot size, okay? So if you have $100, you should be using 0.01 lot size. No ifs, no ands, no buts. If you just have $100 in your account right now, on your MT4 MetaTrader account right now, you should be using 0.01. Now going into our mini is going to be 0.1 to 0.9. Okay, again, you may say, okay, this is my 10 cents. No, it's not. Think about it. That is your USD. That's how they count their money. But in the Forex market, 0.1 is actually considered $1. 0.9 is actually considered $9. So you may say, okay, well, Samara, when can I use the mini lot size? Mini lot size is only used for individuals who have $1,000 in their account. If you have $1,000 in your account, you can use the dollar lot size, okay? And that will be considered in your mini category. So 0.1, this is what we're gonna use for $1,000 through $9,000, okay? If it's $100 to $900, we're gonna be using what? And you guys should put that in the comment section because, you know, I like to teach, you know. But guys, yeah, $100 to $900, you should be using your micro lot sizes, okay? I don't want to hear anybody in the comment section talk about they blew their account, and I'm gonna simply say, what lot size did you use? And you're probably gonna be like, wow, because guys, literally when I got into the market, I was using 0.1 thinking it's 10 cents and I'm blowing my account. Literally just put $50 into my account and I'm like, this is the 10 cent lot size. I used this bad boy. I was in the negative for 40 pips. My trade was actually going to profit the next day, but I did not have enough to leverage that. my broker in the trade itself kicked me out, which brought me down to just $10. And so you may be wondering, okay, Samara, I have $10,000 in my account. What lot size can I use? All right, well, you can go ahead and use that standard lot size. Standard lot size is going to be 1.00 to 9.00. 1.00 to 9.00. Don't tell me this is a dollar, because it's not a dollar. This is actually $10. $10. Okay, $10. All right, so if you have $10,000 in your account, you can use the standard lot size. Do not use the standard lot size until you have reached $10,000 in your account, or if you have simply just placed $10,000 in your account and you know how to trade. Don't put $10,000 in your account and you're a beginner trader. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't want you guys taking my advice and then you guys go ahead and say, well, I put in $500 and I've been using the 50-cent lot size, which is in the micro lot size, and you guys are saying, oh my gosh, I blew my account. No, guys, I'm literally letting you know that's how you proper risk your accounts. Okay, in order to actually see profits, I always tell everyone to go into the demo account before anything, because that is where you want to be at. You want to practice on Monopoly money rather than using your own hard-earned money. There is a lot size that is this. All right, 0.00, guys. That is $100 per pip. So guys, I've never used this lot size, but one day I am manifesting to use this lot size. This lot size, $100 per pip, guys. You have to be at $100,000. $100,000. See, I can't even say it right because it's just like 100 pips. $100 per pip, guys. That's some good money. One pip is $100. But if you don't have 100,000 in your account, do not use this one at all. No, don't. I'm gonna erase it for y'all. But guys, just think about it. One pip is $100. Wow. One good move. You only need one pip. I mean, now if you have 100,000 in your account, that's probably not a lot. But it's just, wow. 10 pips? Wow. Okay, but we're gonna stop dreaming. Okay, depending on what type of trader you are, it's gonna determine how many pips you may need. So if you're a day trader, you're probably going to try to get as many pips as you can, whereas if you're a scalper trader, you may just need 5 to 10 pips, okay, per trade that you take. So with that being said, you may say, okay, well, what is 40 pips worth based off the micro? So I'm gonna break it down to you guys. So you have micro, which is 0.01, I'm sorry guys, 0.01. Then you have your mini, which is 0.1. Then you have your standard, which is 1.00, okay? We're looking at a total of 40 pips, okay? All right? You see a trade, you're looking at EUR USD, right? And you see a move that's going to give you 40 pips, all right? And we're going for a buy. Let's just say that we're going for a buy. Now on a micro, 40 pips is $4. 40 pips is $4 on the micro lot size. If you are looking at the mini, 40 pips for the mini is $40. 40 pips per dollar, so $1 per pip is a $40. Now standard, $10. for 40 pips, $400. Now, just to see it from $100, guys. That's 4,000 pips. That's $4,000. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so excited. That's $4,000. This is just off of the $100 lot size. Now, we're not going to worry about that because I don't want you guys getting so excited about that. Now, if you want to go ahead and play with that money in your demo account, you know, you can put in $100,000 of Monopoly money. Go ahead and see how that feels. But hey, yeah, that's a lot. But moving down from micro to standard, you will see the potential of what you can make. Now, like I told you guys previously, every pip is measured completely different. So if you're going into your indices, such as your NAS 100, your US 30, I always tell anybody, do not trade indices, do not trade your metals, do not trade your cryptocurrencies unless you have mastered how to trade, okay? Because these pairs are very volatile, because one pip does not mean it's $1. It's more than that. So I'm going to show you guys the calculator so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But I just wanted to show you guys that basically if you have 40 pips and it's 10 cents, you do the math. This is really basic math for your Forex pairs. And so your Forex pairs are typically your EUR USD, your USD JPY, your GU, which is your GBP USD. So come with me. All right, guys, so like I told you guys, it's super easy. You want to make Forex easy for you, and you want to think and be smarter than to actually work harder, okay? So with that being said, you want to basically type in cashbackforex.com and it will pull up to this platform home screen. Okay, so with that being said, what you're going to do is you're going to go to tools. You're actually going to be choosing the profit calculator. As you guys can see, there's so many different calculators that this website gives, and it's for free. So I mean, anyway, so going into the Forex profit calculator, you do have your currency pairs. As you guys can see, it is the EUR USD currency pairs. Now you can go through all of the different currency pairs that they have and all that you want to do. They even have Ripple. So they have XRP, USD. They have pretty much all of the currency pairs that you are trading. If a currency pair that you are using is not on this profit calculator, there are so many different calculators on Google that you can search and see how many pips you're actually getting, okay? So with that being said, I'm just gonna go with EUR USD because that is my pair. Of course, I want it in USD current. So if you are in Australia, if you're in Europe, you guys have different currencies that you guys are more familiar with rather than just USD. So you guys can just choose whichever you're comfortable with, etc., whatever. So I chose USD, and I'm in a situation where I can either buy or sell. So you may be in a position where you're either selling a currency pair or you're probably buying a currency pair at that price level, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and buy. Now the lot size, again, guys, we're going from micro, mini to standard. Okay, if I only have $100, I'm gonna go ahead and put 0.01. And then with my open price, this is just for, you know, example purposes. Okay, we may be at an open price of 1.21033. And again, I may just end up having, let's say that the trend is in my favor and I see that it has a potential of going to 1.24000. Okay, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna press calculate, and what it's gonna tell me at the bottom is that profit in pips, I have gained 296 pips, whereas profit in my money is going to actually be close to $30. Okay, this calculator is simply easy, and it's an easy go-to where you can just go on to the website and literally calculate what you are trying to do, especially if you are using a buy stop and a sell stop transaction, this is definitely a beneficial calculator for you. So you can see, okay, I am buying at this price level and I am closing out at this price level, just so you can kind of see, okay, how many pips am I working with, depending on whichever currency pair that you are actually using. But guys, I hope that this video was very informative, and I hope it was straight to the point for you guys, because again, I just want to make it very simple for you all. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is what? It is free, point blank period. That's also, guys, we are on the way to 10K subscribers. Guys, I have a huge announcement once we have reached 10K subscribers. So keep on supporting your girl, keep on watching, and yeah, let's get to 10K subscribers. Peace.